Chapter 4. Normal operating procedures. Climb and cruise procedure. In case of cross-country flight or cruise flight, climb at 100 knots speed to increase overall traveling speed. Reaching cruise altitude, establish horizontal flight and set engine power to cruise setting, 5,300 rpm. Carry out checks of engine and flight parameters every 5 minutes. Questions. Question number 1. At what speed should the aircraft climb during a cross-country or cruise flight? A. 80 knots. B. 90 knots. C. 100 knots. D. 110 knots. Question number 2. What should be done upon reaching cruise altitude? A. Increase engine power to maximum. B. Establish horizontal flight and set engine power to cruise setting, 5,300 rpm. C. Decrease engine power to idle. D. Perform a steep climb. Question number 3. What should the engine power be set to during cruise flight? A. 5,000 rpm. B. 5,200 rpm. C. 5,300 rpm. D. 5,500 rpm. Question number 4. How often should checks of engine and flight parameters be carried out during cruise flight? A. Every 2 minutes. B. Every 3 minutes. C. Every 5 minutes. D. Every 10 minutes. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.